Hello friends, today I'm going to discuss about a very common condition which happens more often in women. It's called carpal tunnel syndrome. Many of you would have heard about it, especially people who tend to be tailors, who already have history of arthritis, who work a lot with computers, who are typists, who ride two-wheelers for long distance, who keep using the clutch very often, the hand gear very often. And in women it is very often seen. Why? Because they have a smaller carpal tunnel. Now what is this carpal tunnel? The wrist is being supplied with a nerve which comes right through the arm, and one such nerve is median nerve. This nerve passes through a small passage before entering the palm, right? So this wrist area, this is the tunnel, as pathway through which the nerve passes. This median nerve is nothing but the nerve which supplies to the thumb. And when this nerve gets compressed or pinched for some reason, why? Because whatever causes I said just now, because of that, if it gets compressed or pinched, it leads to numbness. Initially there will be numbness. The person will feel as though this area is not able to execute the work, possibly due to this kind of pinching. It's not able to move the fingers properly. And what happens eventually, if this is not treated, is that slowly the muscles will lose their muscle tone. The person cannot do like this. They cannot do the regular routine works. And what happens is the muscle gets shrunken, pain will start. And that pain, initially people will start doing like this, they just keep doing like this small exercises and they feel that it has relieved. But if they continue to get exposed to the same cause of this carpal tunnel syndrome, then it's going to further progress and it needs to be treated. The main causes for this carpal tunnel syndrome, if we see, as I said, people who are involved in such kind of works where a lot of cutting work, like using the scissor very often, the thumb, if it is involved in a lot of work. Right now you can see people very busy with smartphones. The thumb is used very often to just scroll down the page, and the same can become reason for carpal tunnel as well, carpal tunnel syndrome as well. And the treatment for this is refraining from this cause and keeping the palm warm. Now see the beauty here. Ayurvedic treatment always aims in controlling Vata. This is a Vata problem, obviously, because there is numbness. But here the Vata is being obstructed. It is being obstructed from getting a free flow to the fingers because of this kapha which is obstructing it. And here we need to give some kind of treatment. In certain clinics they do Agni Karma. In certain clinics they do Swedanam, that is sweating therapy using a medicated bolus or poultice. In our center, we advise patients initially to take some internal medicine, maximum 1 or 2, but externally we advise them to use oil, and very useful external medicated powders are available which are used as a paste over this area. And if they continue to use it for a week, they say that they find a lot of difference. It gives a lot of relief, and this is usually diagnosed by X-ray and ultrasound, usually X-ray. And how do we verify that the treatment has given results? The main thing is subjective. The patient has to feel that numbness is gone, the functionality is improved, the patient is able to move the fingers and execute the functions as before. But the main condition is that the patient should have a regulated use of this area, and hyper straining of this area will again cause relapse of the same condition. And that's why we always say lifestyle modification is very important in such conditions. So, hope this video was useful for you. If you all have any doubts, please contact us through the comment section, or you can send a WhatsApp inquiry on 73977 29702. Thank you.